Not the tree. There you go.
These are getting stronger.
Alright. Take your deep breaths. Going back up this section, remember? It's kind of scary. Constant breathing. This part's kind of sketch. No, you went up this. Yes, because you couldn't go up the other way. Are you chill? There's one crux move. Just holds up above. Careful. Please. Be careful.
We can't see up there yet.
There's snow to the right of me.
Wait, we're doing this one again?
What do you mean? This is the undercling thing. It's so much scarier today.
I don't want to go up there if there's snow. Can you see around or no? We couldn't go left up here last time either, huh?
I've just never been that way. It looks pretty good. All the way up past those trees.
Last time you could see snow, right?
Yeah. This section's freaking me out right now.
Me too.
So I feel like we need more chalk. Do you? Or no? You good? You want to go first so I could be behind you?
I guess.
I'll just wait until you get up there, I guess. Is that what we did last time?
Yeah.
Right foot here. There you go.
I've done this before and it was fine. It wasn't even hard.
I feel that too right now. So this is where I get scared. Do a high foot undercling, stand up, get my left foot on that ledge. My right hand's maybe in the undercling, I'm not sure.
This?
I think so. Then I grab the undercling. Does it feel loose? Pound on it. A little. Okay. Stand up and look for a left foot. Left foot. Match your feet. Left foot again. And then there's a slot somewhere up there in a crack or something. You doing okay? I think it goes out right. I don't know. It's super like easy to read. climbing bad, so just wait for me.
And it's like a weird high left foot, but then there's lots of stuff to grab.
Hold on. Hold on.
Are you good? That's what's weird, but you can do it. It's a ledge. And then there's cracks up here that you can put your hand on. Right here, this is all good.
I just don't know where to step.
You have to do a weird high foot. Yeah. Can you do it higher, like on the top of the boulder? Super high, like above your knee? Put your hand in
Yeah, but I can't stand up on that.
Yeah, there. That's what I did. You got it. Then there's a crack. But then reach for this. Nothing. Solid. And then behind it, there's another solid crack right there.
My hand is stuck. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Don't go too far. Okay. Hold on. Stay there. You're not going right anymore.
I just wanted to move.
Hold on.
So you could have a hold.
Let me go first.
Yeah, you go.
You doing okay? Huh? High left foot on that ledge. Yeah, once you get your hands right, stand up. Come on. Okay. This is the section that was filled with snow last time.
Damn, this looked so scary last time. Remember?
Yeah.
This part?
Well, this wasn't available. We were on the edge.
We were right here, huh?
Yeah.
Climbing on this fucking scary shit.
If you could step up here, I want you to climb in front of me, grab this jug way up there. Wait. Just don't push me off.
I can't reach that.
Okay, hold on. You're freaking me out. It's just this backpack. It fucks with me.
Why can't you go first?
Okay. So I want to film you.
Oh.
Just don't hit me, okay? Yeah. Just go for it. No. Grab it. There you go.
Keep going?
Yeah. Hold on. Okay. Stand up. you doing?
Weird.
Yeah, that's why I was like, we cannot do this in snow. Remember? Last time? Little stressful right there.
Yeah.
I mean, if you look down at it, it's pretty fucked up. Let's summit it, okay? Just be smart all the way to the top. We really did it, baby. We really did it. Yeah. Fucking did it. Holy shit.
That was scary.
That was really scary that time.
The undercling part was like
Terrifying for me.
weirder this time. I feel like I got it faster. It's still weird.
14 minutes to do that thing.
We summited the mountain, we said the mountain, we said the mountain.
Deep, deep, deep.
Tired.
The morning I get up, wash my dread. I feel the sun beating on my head. I fix a cup of the Kali med. Sip it up until my eyes get red. Glorious day is upon us. Let us meditate upon the chalas, the sweet herb, good life. I chant a song in the morning light, the first light of the morning. The sun shining on my face. I give thanks for the good bread. Brand new day ahead, the first light of the morning. The sun shining on my face. I give thanks for the good bread. Can't take this view from here for granted. The hills filled with trees I've enchanted. We tilled the soil, we planted. At first light we watered and